Hi everybody, welcome to another video of Mommy and Mia. It will just be me today, and I am doing a DIY hack that a lot of people have done because there is a shortage on Lysol, or disinfecting wipes. I know it's important for parents to make sure that they are wiping surfaces down, toys, common areas like bathrooms and play areas and things like that. So it is very important that we as parents keep our kids safe, their play areas, where they sleep, where they eat, just to disinfect these areas during this pandemic, and even just in general, just for optimal health. I have been looking for Lysol wipes and I have not been able to find any. So I went ahead and looked under my cabinet, and lo and behold, I have these items that I can use to make my own. What you're seeing here, we have 70% rubbing alcohol, which is the recommended percentage that is effective for disinfecting purposes. So we will be using this. We will be using this here. This is Lysol 99.9%, kills any germ, bacteria, or virus. This is really good. I dilute this and wipe counters down. I dilute this and put it in mop water. This is a very good disinfectant, and you can also use this in the bathroom in any common area of the house. You can also use this and put it in a spray bottle with water and dilute it, and make your own spray. So this is a good one. What I have here, I have this, which is pre-cut. This is the one that I have used. I went ahead and cut this before the video. This is what it looks like. I did not cut it directly in half because I wanted to make sure that it would fit in this container, which is a coffee mate container. This container is 5.3 ounces, so it's perfect. This fits in here perfectly, as you can see. And I did not cut it in half. I cut it maybe about right there, because I wanted to make sure that this lid was going to close so no air would get in. So let's take this out. Actually, we can go ahead and leave this in. But as I mentioned, this is a coffee mate container. It was really low, so I went ahead and dumped it out into a different container. And it has a tight lid. No air can get in. It's perfect for this DIY hack. Okay, so without any further ado, this is 1 cup of water, which will be going into the container. So go ahead and pour it in. And you can just cover the paper towel with it. And we're going to take the roll out once this is all condensed down. We're going to do a fresh bottle. Let's get this open. Go ahead and poke it with a toothpick. Okay. What I should have did was dilute it with the water. So we're going to do this. We're going to go on ahead and open this. Fill this up. And as I mentioned, this is just 1 cup. It's measured. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put the rubbing alcohol inside of that. And this is just me wanting to have a little bit more extra disinfecting purposes, because this is already 99.9% effective to kill any germs, virus, or bacteria. But being me, I'm an extra clean person, I wanted to go ahead and add rubbing alcohol in it as well. So if you only have this, or if you only have this, either one will do. Either one will be effective enough for the purposes of disinfecting. And with this, all you would need is like 2 tablespoons versus 2 cups of water, as opposed to 1 cup of water, filtered water, and 1 cup of the Lysol. And I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of this. So either way, I'm glad that I did mention that. Either way, this will work fine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill 1 cap into that. It's about all I need. Okay. And I'm going to pour it over the wipes. And I'll try to put it down so you can see. It smells so good. Okay. I am going to remove the center of the paper towel. Okay, push them down. Tighten this, and I'm just going to slosh it around a little bit. And I don't have my Sharpie, but please ensure that, because this is a label that doesn't peel, it is a printed on label. So if you just write, you know, disinfecting wipes for cleaning purposes on the top or on the outer edge, so, you know, someone's not getting ready to make coffee and open it and they have, you know, wipes there. I will do that. So I'm going to slosh this around a little bit more. I feel like I'm tossing pizza. Okay. Go ahead and open that. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of condensed down. But what I'm going to do is try to find the center where the paper towel started. Okay, perfect. I might have to tear one out. And there you go. See how that's coming out? Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe this surface so you can see. It will condense down. This is very wet, but this is the center one. So the outermost paper towels probably will be much less wet. So as you can see, and disinfect this area. It smells really good. It's not harsh. And voila. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this tip or this DIY video helps anybody out there, any moms, dads, grandparents. This is a great hack. Thank you for watching, and you guys be safe out there. Bye.